The three things that make Green Addicts unique: we invest in our people, we hold our people to the highest standards, and we solve home comfort challenges. The standards we set for our people here at Green Addicts start from Crystal answering the phone at the office to our installers showing up the day of the jobs. We want people to feel welcome and feel like they're talking to somebody that's knowledgeable. When it comes to a company being able to solve your home comfort challenges, you have to be able to take an approach that's not just one-sided. We are able to look at a multitude of avenues and problems that may be at hand that you could experience, and not just give a blanket solution like a lot of companies do, but actually find the core of whatever problem you're having and then guide you in solving that problem. Our goal is to make sure that we leave the house looking better than when we arrived. So from laying plastic down on the floor anywhere that they have to be in the house, to run hoses up into the attic for any work performed, to vacuuming up any insulation or debris that may get in the house during the install. We do a really good job and have a high standard for making sure that you feel like your home's being taken care of. We do a 45-day quality assurance check, the only company in DFW that does so, but we're that focused on ensuring that the customer satisfaction is there and that we were able to solve the issue at hand. These three uniques are really what sets Green Addicts apart from any other HVAC and insulation company in DFW.